Welcome back. Yesterday we have started our chapter knowing our numbers in 6th standard. Okay, in that we learn how to compare a number, how to arrange the numbers in a ascending order and descending order. આ બધું already આપણે 5th standard માં learn કરી લીધું છે. Now, how many numbers can you make? If I give you 3 digits 2, 5 and 3 and using 3 digits you need to make a different numbers. આ 3 digit નો use કરીને અલગ-અલગ numbers બનાવો. So we can write it first number 253. 2 is at the 100th place, 5 is at the 10th place and 3 is at the 1st place. This is the first number. Then we can interchange the digit and we can make some more numbers. 352. We can also write 532 or we can write 523. You can also write 325 and 235. We can make this many numbers using 3 digits 2, 5 and 3. Same if I give you 4 digits 7, 8, 3 and 5. I already written on a board how many numbers we can make using this 4 digit. We can also make another more number using this 4 digit 7, 8, 3 and 5. But I write some example for this. Now we have to select which one is the largest and which one is the smallest. So from this many numbers you can see 8753, that is the largest number, and 3578, that is the smallest number. So you can see, you can conclude that if you arrange the digit in a decreasing order, 8 is the largest digit, then 7, then 5 and then 3. If you arrange the digits in a decreasing order, you will get a greatest 4-digit number. If you arrange the digit in a increasing order, 3, then 5, then 7, then 8, you will get a smallest number. So to get the largest number, arrange the digits in a decreasing order, and to get the smallest number, arrange the digits in a increasing order. This kind of question can be asked for MCQ in 1 marks. You have given some digits and you need to make a largest or a smallest number. તો તમારે શું યાદ રાખવાનું, જે પણ digits આપ્યા હોય એને જો greatest કયું હોય તો decreasing order માં અરેન્જ કરવાના, અને જો large smallest કયું હોય તો increasing order. Here one example is given. Make a largest number using digits 1, 3, 5 and 9. Here you have 4 digits 1, 3, 5 and 9 and you need to write the greatest number. So how can we make greatest number using this 4 digits? You need to arrange the digits in a decreasing order. So first number will be 9, that is largest, then 5, 3 and 1. So answer is 9531. We arrange the digit in a decreasing order. Now next question is make a smallest 4-digit number using 0159. Now here one exception is there. 4-digit number. If you write this in an increasing order, so smallest number will be 0. So your answer will be 0, 1, 5 and 6. But 0 is the first digit. It is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. If you write 0 at the first number, then it is not a 4-digit number, it is a 3-digit number. જો 0 હોય તો એને first લખાય નહીં. કેમ? કેમ કે આપણે 4-digit number લખવાનો કયો છે. So if you write 0 at the 1000 place, it will be 3-digit number. So you need to write 0 after 1. 0 ને આપણે 100th ના પ્લેસ માં લખવો પડે. So our number will be 1056. Again જો 0 આપ્યો હોય અને એવું કહ્યું હોય કે 4-digit number બનાવો તો 0 ક્યારે પણ first digit હોય નહીં. Because if you write 0 as a first digit, then it will be a 3-digit number. જો 0 તમે પહેલા લખશો તો 3-digit number કહેવાય. Okay. Now here one more question. Now it is also asked with the condition આપી હોય અને તમારે નંબર્સ બનાવવાના હોય એવું પણ પૂછે. So question is make the greatest and the smallest four digit number using four different digits with the given condition. Condition આપી હશે, digits આપ્યા હોય અથવા તો ના પણ આપ્યા હોય. જો ના આપ્યા હોય તો તમારે કોઈપણ ડિજિટ 1 to 9 માંથી કોઈપણ ડિજિટ લેવાય અને જો આપ્યા હોય તો જે આપેલા છે એ જ ડિજિટ યુઝ કરીને નંબર બનાવો. Digit 7 is always ones place. Condition is what? 7 is always at the ones place. To get the smallest or greatest number, જે પણ smallest number બનાવો, જે પણ greatest number બનાવો, condition શું છે? 7 always ones place માં જ હોવું જોઈએ. So we need to write 7 at the ones place in a smallest and greatest digit. Now to get a smallest digit બનાવવો હોય, smallest number બનાવવો હોય તો આપણે કયા નંબર યુઝ કરવા પડે? From the starting 0 1 2 3 because age smallest છે. જો તમે 9 7 8 એ લો તો એ greatest number છે, એના કરતા નાના નંબર પણ છે. That's why to make a smallest number we need to select 0 1 2 or 3. Okay, so first we can use 0 1 2 3 any digit from this given digit. So where we can write 0? Again to make a four digit number we cannot write 0 at the thousand place. Thousand place માં 0 લખાય નહીં, કેમ કે જો 0 thousand place માં લખું તો એ 3 digit number થઈ જાય. So we need to write 0 at the 100 place. Okay, so 0 use થઈ ગયો. Now 1 ક્યાં મુકાય? It will be in a thousand place. So 1 will be at the thousand place and 10th place 2 will be there. So this is a four digit number using given condition. 7 is always at the one place and smallest number. Now to get the greatest number બનાવવો હોય તો આપણે પાછળથી digit use કરવા પડે. That are 9 8 7 6 5. Okay, so to get the greatest number always 9 will be at the thousand place. જો greatest digit બનાવવો હોય તો 9000 place માં જ મૂકવો પડે. 9 will be at the thousand place. Now 8 will be there, 8 at the 100 place and remaining 7 is already there in a 1 place. So we need to write 6 at the 10th place. So our smallest number is 1027 with the 7 at the 1's place and greatest number is 9867 with 7 at the 1's place. Clear? Our next example is digit 9 is always at the 100 place. ગમે તે નંબર બનાવીએ પણ એવો નંબર બનાવવાનો કે 9 100th place માં હોય. So we write 9 at the 100th place for a smallest and greatest number. Now again for a smallest number we need to select the number from the beginning 0 1 2 3 4. So again 0 cannot be at the thousand place because if you write 0 at the thousand place it will be a smallest number. So we need to write 0 at the 10th place. 1 will be at the 100,000 place and 2 will be at the 1's place. So we select the digit from the beginning 0 1 2 or 3. Now to get the greatest number we need to select the digits from the last 9 8 7 6 5. So to get the largest number 9 will be always at the 1000 place, but already 9 is there in a 100 place. So we need to select the next number, that is 8. So 8 will be at the 1000 place. Next digit will be 7, that will be at the 10th place, and next after 7 there will be 6 at the 1's place. So this is answer. Smallest number is 1902 and greatest number is 8976. By continuing my topic, that some more examples related to making number with given digits and with condition. Write greatest and smallest number using digits 9 7 5 8 with the 7 is always at the 10th place. What is the condition? 7 is always at the tens place. So for a smallest and greatest number, you need to write 7 in a tens place. So here it is 7. Now remaining digits, that are 9, 5 and 8. You need to arrange this digit with, so you get smallest number and greatest number. So for a smallest number, you need to arrange the remaining digit in a increasing order. So what will be the first number for a smallest? It will be 5. Next is 8 and last 9. This is the smallest number using given condition and digits. To get the greatest number, we need to arrange the number in a decreasing order. So first we write 9, after that we write 8 and last number is 5. So greatest number is 9875 and the smallest number is 5879. One more example is there. Make a greatest and a smallest number using any 4 different digits. Now in this question, digits are not given. So again we can use any digit from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 માંથી કોઈપણ digit use કરાય. But as I said, to smallest number you need to use a number from the starting, and to get the greatest number you need to select the number at the last. Means smallest number માટે 0, 1, 2, 3 થી start કરવાનું અને greatest number માટે 9, 8, 7, 6 થી start કરવાનું. Okay, using any 4 different digits with the 3 is always at the ones place. Means જે પણ number બનાવો પણ એનો ones digit 3 જ હોવો જોઈએ. So we will write 3 at the ones place. Remaining digit to get the smallest digit, smallest number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to arrange this digit in manner so you get the smallest number. 0 is not at the starting, so we need to write 0 at the 100 place. Now 1 will be at the 1000 place, 2 will be at the tens place. To get the greatest digit you need to select 9, 8, 7, 6. So 9 will be at the 1000 place, 100 will be at 8 will be at the 100 place and 7 will be at the tens place. Remaining this topic, there is some examples in homework. Please make a note for today's topic and write the homework in today's work. If you have any query for homework, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Should I?